Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome here on stage the all-new Mercedes-AMG GT 4-door coupe.
With almost no limits.
That's what I call rush hour, folks.
Deserves a road with almost no limits. Welcome to the Autobahn.
Pitt, wasn't it?
Oh, yes, it was.
I mean, we are in LA. But let's talk about these cars. And we also have George Russell with us. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for George Russell! Now, George, you just experienced something that I bet a lot of people here would love to try themselves. So come on, tell us, how was it?
Yeah, firstly, I think that was Brad Pitt, so I think that was pretty cool that he was here. But yeah, good evening, everyone. It's really cool to be here in LA, obviously showcasing these two incredible cars. So this is probably the fastest car I've ever driven in my life, and it doesn't go lightly, and you guys really need to experience it. So I just can't wait for people to give it a go, pedal to the metal, and feel the speed.
Michael, that sounds like the ultimate compliment, especially as it's coming from one of the best drivers in the world.
Yeah, absolutely. And I mean, did you see his smile when he got out of the car? That pretty much, I think, said it all. And we are seeing that same smile virtually on everyone who has been able to experience it. And that, I think that's so important, because this is ultimately what a sports car is about, yeah? So it is the excitement, it's everything that you should experience when you drive a sports car. It makes you feel alive, it makes you feel younger, and of course, I think it makes you go, what's my age again?
Now, this might come as a surprise to you, and if you believe in stereotypes, Germans aren't exactly renowned for their fun, and I can say that, I'm a Brit. So how does a bunch of engineers in Germany manage to build such an exciting, fun car?
You know, as you can imagine, we take fun very seriously.